Hello everyone and welcome to 5620 Finley Drive, located in Port Orange, Florida, in the community of Maplewood. This is a 55 plus community. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath manufactured home with brand new insulation, brand new flooring, brand new subflooring, nice size storage shed, covered carport with a little fenced backyard. Stepping inside here, it is a beautifully remodeled kitchen. Nice countertops, large open family / dining area, nice size living room. Down the hallway here to your right is your first bathroom. Right through here is your first bedroom. Closet. Over here is your master bedroom. Your second bath. Come on down, check it out. It's 5620 Finley Drive, located in Port Orange, Florida, in the community of Maplewood.